Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Commissioner, respected Shri R.R. Vadera, Chairman Board of Governors, esteemed members of the Thapar Education Trust, members of the Board of Governors and the Senate of TIET, members of the media, my esteemed colleagues, beloved degree recipients, my young student friends, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a great honor and privilege for me to extend a very warm and hearty welcome to you all on this 35th convocation of Thapar Institute, Patiala. We are highly honored and pleased to have with us our distinguished alumnus, Shri Iqbal Singh Chahal, Commissioner of the BMC, who's the proud recipient of the Doctor of Science, namely the Honoris Causa Award this year. This year, we complete 65 years of our inception, and I would like to place on record our sincere gratitude to all the eminent personalities who have contributed to the growth and expansion of TIET. I'm very happy that the 35th convocation is being held today in all solemnity in the gracious presence of so many dignitaries adhering to the established convention of the occasion. This brief report provides a summary of our activities for the year 2021. At this convocation, a total of 2,361 degrees are being awarded, including 92 PhD and 1,696 BE BTechs. These degrees cover a very wide range of disciplines and specializations offered by the 7 engineering departments and the 5 schools of TIET. During this convocation, a total of 40 students will receive medals and awards for their meritorious and all-around performance. Yadvinder Kaur, with a CGPA of 10, will receive the President's Medal and the S. Ram S. Sidhu Memorial Medal. Ruchir Sharma will receive the S. Ranbir Singh Gold Medal for the all-round best student. Professor V. Rajaraman Computer Science and Engineering Award has been given to Sahil Ahuja for securing a CGPA of 10 in the BE Computer Science and Engineering program. I extend, on behalf of the faculty and staff, and on my own personal behalf, our heartiest congratulations to all the degree and medal recipients. TIET has improved its rankings significantly in all the categories in NIRF 2021 by securing the 23rd position in the engineering category, 26th in the university category, 42nd in the management, and 38th in the research category, as well as standing 45th overall. We have also been ranked in the 501 to 600 bracket worldwide from among 1,662 institutions, and 5th among the 71 institutions ranked within India in the Times Higher Education World University Rankings 2022. In the Times Higher Education Subject Rankings, the institute has been bracketed worldwide as follows: Computer Science, 301 to 400. Engineering, 401 to 500. Physical Sciences, 401 to 500. As you are all aware, the outbreak and the widespread of the coronavirus pandemic caused major disruption of all face-to-face academic activities during the last year and a half. We, on our part, have made the best of efforts to maintain substantive contact with the students through online teaching. We took emergent steps to ramp up the e-content delivery for courses, and the first semester of the academic year 2021 began in an online mode, and students were called to the campus for the end semester exam in an offline written examination mode, strictly adhering to the social distancing norms. The teaching during the second semester of the 2021 initially followed a hybrid model, combining online and the face-to-face elements. However, the deadly outbreak of the second wave of the coronavirus forced us to move back to a completely online teaching from early April 2021 onwards. The examinations were conducted online using the best possible proctoring strategies available, although with very limited success. I am very pleased to report that all the TIET staff and faculty have been now fully vaccinated, and most students also have been vaccinated. Fortunately, the pandemic seems to have abated to some extent, and we have been able to start the first semester of the 2021-22 academic year in time with 50% of the students on campus. We continue to be cautious, and we are monitoring the situation almost on a daily basis. On the research front, TIET has experienced remarkable growth in the last 5 years, and growth is often the byproduct of doing things better. Going forward, the institution aims to make targeted investments to develop new interdisciplinary and inter-institutional collaborations to establish 6 centers of excellence across identified research themes. TIET has already established 3 chairs to lead the food security, emerging materials, and the advanced manufacturing centers in the last 18 months. Thaparians published a total of 1,191 research papers in peer-reviewed journals in the year 2021, and many sponsored research projects are currently ongoing in different disciplines. With research focused in niche areas of engineering and sciences, TIET has today over 9,600 published research papers in peer-reviewed journals under its belt. Over the past 6 decades, TIET has been committed to its aim of delivering quality education and catering to the evolving needs of the Indian youth. The institution has 14 operational departments or schools and has over today 550 faculty members. During this academic year, we had 48 new faculty members recruited who eventually joined TIET. We have embarked upon a major research infrastructure upgrade project at the Patiala campus since 2015 to support the growth in number of students. With the second phase of the growth in student numbers, it's not only essential and necessary to build new infrastructure to keep pace, faculty and research, but it's also essential to maintain, renovate, and augment the existing ones. A combination of augmenting of existing facilities and the construction of new structures has been adopted. As far as the industry focus is concerned, in the academic year 2021, 377 companies visited TIET. Due to the pandemic year, many core organizations will be visiting our institute in the last quarter of this year for students who have already passed out in 2021. Of the students from the BE BTech branches who were eligible and who had opted for campus placements, 1,119 students were placed, having 1,227 offers. The overall placement percentage of all eligible students of the UG programs stood at 80%. As a socially responsible organization, TIET, since its very inception, has been ensuring access to funds for student scholarships at its campuses. It is our responsibility that the dearth of funds must not become a bottleneck for any student to lose the opportunity to benefit from the Thapar experience. TIET has delivered upon its commitment to offer education to all who have secured admission through its robust screening process, either through scholarships, grants, or strong linkages to student financing. Need-based fee concessions were also made available to students who face difficulties owing to the pandemic. I would like to take this opportunity to express our gratitude to Sri R.R. Vadera for his deep personal commitment to our goals and for his constant support to our efforts to pursue excellence. Our thanks are also due to all the members of the TET Trust, the board, the Senate, the faculty, and the staff of the Institute for their interest and valuable guidance in the development of the Institute. My heartiest congratulations and best wishes to each one of you receiving their degrees today and the award medal winners for their special achievements. Finally, I conclude by congratulating Mr. Chahal, and I thank him for agreeing to address the graduating students. On a very last note, may each one of you who is graduating today aspire to emulate Mr. Chahal and to make your alma mater proud. Jai Hind.